thing. How do you want us to? I finish. Okay. So they will be talking about many issues that are affecting them. Unajua kuna mambo mengine ambayo tuliruhusu tukasahau. Mambo kama ya kilimo. Tuliongea mambo ya fertilizer, tukasema, tukapatiwa hadithi, na leo hii they will tell you that a bag of maize in Uasin Gishu is costing 2,000 shillings. 1,200 kwa gunia ya mahindi. You can add it up yourself. It is a total loss to the farmers. Yet we are not addressing it. They also tell you that in Nandi and also in Uasin Gishu County, hospitals have been
people are dying out there. It's no longer a secret that this giant chief thing is a scandal and a scam for Kenyans. Mtu mwenye amezoea miaka 3, 4, 5, karibu miaka 10 kwenda kwa hospitali na analipiwa dialysis, alafu anaambiwa hawezi lipiwa, you have literally given that person his death certificate in advance. Anaibeba miziku juu itajazwa na kama itajazwa na familia. Because if you cannot get your blood clean 2-3 times or 2-3 weeks, you are dead. Yani you cannot imagine. Sisi kwa Kenya tunatembea hapa tukisema tuko na serikali inaendelea na watu wengine wanabeba death certificate. Kwa sababu kama hawezi kupata hiyo diary, nyinyi kama familia unamwangalia mtu yenu akikufa kila siku. How sad can it be? And these are some of the things that we cannot afford to ignore and not talk about. And this chief and child thing was a scam, it was a scandal. And I believe that is why one of the nations, that is why impeachment, so that we can forget because the scandal that we are having. And I think it is very, very important that we do not lose track of all the things that we are saying. Kwa sababu mmeguza mambo ya nasema mambo ya dereva, mambo ya makanga. Mimi bado nasema kwa dereva, kwa makanga. Na yeye anasema abiria ni Wakenya. Abiria ni wabunge. Si wa Kenya, abiria ni wabunge na maseneta. Hawa waweka kwa gari, waende wakatafie sisi malicho. They have decided to just take care of it. So when we say kwa dereva kwa makanga, hata abiria makanga wabunge, those elected people are the ones who are going to face the queue when the time comes. All of them together. If we cannot remove the money, then when the time comes, we need to go. And as I conclude this, IEBC, Wakenya hakuna jambo lolote la kulia William Ruto kutakuwa kwa kiti ya kwamba uchaguzi wa IEBC unaendelea. Hii ni chama kwa kiti ya kwamba wamefuruga Kenya. He wants to delay the issue of IEBC so that we get as close as possible to the date of elections. It's upon us as Kenyans to call for the formation of IEBC so that they can do what they are supposed to do now. Prepare for elections, but crucially also ensure that all the by-elections are held across the country. And I tell you why William is scared of by-elections. Hakuna mtu atachaguliwa na kura Kenya hii kwa hizo by-elections zote. And you can take it to the bank. Because the whole country
is annoyed.
Finally, this impeachment will not be done to a campaign of 40 against. I question the members of Parliament as they make their contributions on the floor, let them not make it a community issue. When they start getting communities to beat one another, it is a demonstration of the decaying level of those institutions. We have been struggling for the last number of years to ensure that there is some protection for moving together as community. And when I hear some members of Parliament speaking, they are trying to ensure that these communities are again on a collision course. This is the desire Uhuru government, so that come 2027, they are able to pay communities against one another and win easily. It will be very unfortunate the members of parliament who agree for their hands to be used further. We can disagree on many things, but it will not get us back to where we were in 2010. Please don't cause chaos 2010 by the way you speak on the floor. You're impeaching Gachagua, it is not from Kenya you're impeaching. Impeaching Gachagua, but don't drag the whole community into it. Unless you have another motive, which you have already nurtured in your system. And this is an opportunity to come and let the ugly part of the world. I urge you and do not allow this to become a community where it is one community against all the others. That's why I'm saying, hii kiti ya deputy ambayo Ruto amechukua, ache kuleta Mount Kenya, kwa sababu unaileta Mount Kenya kupiganisha na makabila zingine. And again, after what we are doing with this impeachment, any person occupied that seat, yeye atakuwa Kadori. Kadori, kule unajibu unacheza naye. You are good. You are hiyo kitu. Wewe unakula, telling us that you are here and this is that thing has now been into a perfect position and it can be taken elsewhere. I thank you. Allow me to invite one of the